Well, we're demonstrating the Zeiss Axioscope 7. This is a motorized microscope that uses uh, artificial intelligence software to analyze materials like metals or ceramics. So to understand the microstructure is to understand how strong something is. So what this does is it automates the process. It makes sure that you understand the properties of your material, whether they're defects, and um, and it does it in a way that minimizes the amount of training that people have to have, and it makes everything consistent, meaning different users will get the same results, and they'll be comparable to other users anywhere. So it's standardized testing and makes it valuable because previously things were much less standardized, and you would compare things to a chart, and that was very subjective. So this takes the subjectivity out of it, makes it objective, measurable, repeatable, and reliable.